morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today what I'm doing is I am moving my candle studio from my tiny little RV kitchen, and if you haven't saw that, you can watch my last video where we did wax melts, and you can see how small my kitchen was. And I am moving it to a larger location because I just need more space. So I am on the way. I'm actually going to move it about a little over an hour away. It's at my parents' house. They have a finished basement, so I'm going to move it there, and that's what we're doing today. I am driving right now, but hands-free, so I just wanted to chat with you just for a minute on my way, and I'm on the drive, so I will see you there. All right, so I'm here. So I got everything moved in. I've actually just put it here for right now on this table, and I'm going to show you kind of the area that I'm going to be working with. So over here, see this corner? This is the area I plan on making my candle studio. Now I can also use this area here on the corner, but I'm going to use this corner area to make my candle studio. I can use the rest of the basement too if I want to, but for now this is what I'm going to try to do because I don't want to take over the entire basement. So I've got this table, wireless table of theirs for now. You can see it right here. And I'm going to get me a table, and then I think I'm going to get a bookshelf or something to put over here along the wall so I can store all my vessels and wicks and everything. So for now, I'm just going to get it a little bit organized until I get all the supplies that I need. But like I said in my first video, I'm using with what I got right now just to get started. So I'm going to try to get this organized now, and let's see what I can do with no shelving. Okay, well, I got all that done, got it organized without having a shelf for right now. The only one I had broken was this one. medium jar. So that's pretty good for as many as I had, I think. So I'm going to fold up these boxes I have left. I'm gonna give those to my fiance for his Etsy business. And he can use those for his shipping, and probably head on back home until the next time I come here. So for now, this is my setup, and I'll update you later on after I get shelving and things like that in another video. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today and watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.